Okay, this demonstration helps you to better understand magnetic force. So what we have here is two bar magnets, and that's the North Pole for this magnet, that's the South Pole for this magnet. So basically, we are creating a magnetic field in this region that points from north to south. So the magnetic field direction for in this region is going to be upward. So that is the direction of the magnetic field, and we have this power supply which provides current that goes along this path and enters into this wire and passes through this part of the wire and goes back to the source. So the current flow in this part of the wire is going to be from right to left. So we'll point that direction using this arrow. So that's current direction, that's going to be magnetic field. So now first let's predict the magnetic force acting on this part of the wire. So we use the third right hand rule, thumb along the direction of the current, fingers along the direction of the field, palm tells you the direction of the magnetic force. So magnetic field is up, current is to the left. So if I orient my hand like that, the magnetic force is going to be into. So this thing, when we generate current or when we allow current to pass through that, this must deflect that way. It must deflect that way. All right, so let's see that. So now power on, off. Power on, off. One more time. Power on, off. Okay, next what I'm gonna show you is when we reverse the current flow. Right now, or what you have seen so far, is that's the direction of the current flow. So that's the direction of the current flow. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna reverse that. So how I'm going to do that? I just change the polarity here. Okay, so I take out this one and put that. So now the current, if you look at this, the high potential, so that's where the current starts to flow. It goes like that and enters on this end. So now the flow of the current in this part of the wire is gonna be that way and go back to the ground here. So if we apply again the right hand rule, the third right hand rule, we can predict the force. So thumb along the direction of the current flow and fingers along the direction of the field. I have not changed the direction of the field, so that's north, that's south, so that's the direction of the magnetic field. So now current is going this way. So thumb along the direction of the current, fingers along the field, so the force must be towards you. So you must see this wire deflecting towards you when I turn the power. All right, so let's see if that works. So power on, off. Power on, off. Power on, off. Power on, off.